Good evening and welcome to Jim Only's World Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 19th to the 31st. All models are in agreement with the pattern for January 19th to 23rd in depicting a western North American ridge and an eastern trough. Here's our ridge here. Here's our deep trough. Look how deep it is and look how far down to the south it goes. We have two positive height anomalies across, one here in the North Atlantic, one here across western North America. However, usually in this case, the models are having trouble individual short waves within the cyclonic flow across the nation. Now, within this broad flow, as you can see here, this is what we're looking at is the GFS, 7 a.m., and we're looking at the GFS ensembles. They all show the same thing. We go to 7 a.m. on the 20th, still the same thing. Let's see, we go to the 22nd. Pretty much basically all the same thing, the 23rd. Now, one thing I want to notice here, look at the high anomalies here, and this starts to grow as we get through the period. This is very low heights and also very cold temperatures. Now, within this flow, there will be several disturbances coming in from Western Canada that dive southward. So, precipitation during this period will be across the Great Lakes and the East Coast, and temperatures during this period will continue to be above normal in the west and below normal in the east. And I'm going to look now at the temperature anomalies. This is at the 20th. We'll go to the 22nd. Well, first we'll go to the 19th. And temperature anomalies here, you can see in the east are about -5 at the beginning of the period. Look at the temperature anomalies across California. +15, +10, and then we'll go further into this period, and then we still have like +10, the east, -5 to near normal, and then it gets colder in the east. So during this forecast period, forecasting whenever it decides to, I'm hitting the map, but doesn't seem to be coming up. Oh, there we go. Forecasting above normal temperatures for this region, below normal temperatures for this area for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of the nation. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for January 22nd to the 26th. And models indicate strong positive height anomalies over western Canada coast and a deep trough over eastern North America. So here's our amplified ridge and our deep trough. We still also have an area of positive height anomalies here across the North Atlantic. Models and ensembles are in agreement with this pattern, but the GFS, I'm going to show you what happens here. We're going to go to the GFS for the 24th, and look what happens. It splits the energy across here the northeast. And this brings it back here up to Canada. The other one goes off the east coast. The GFS is the only model indicating this, and during this period, the PNA is positive and forecast to remain positive through day 14. The NAO is currently negative and forecast to trend positive, indicating a lack of blocking across the high latitudes. But I think this might be a while for it to catch up because we have positive height anomalies here and here. So the positive PNA justifies a ridge here in the west. So this is for the period 22nd to 26. Look at GFS ensembles. And now we're going to look at the European deterministics. And the European ensembles. Now we're going to look at the temperature pattern for this period. '22nd. You see height anomalies over the temperature anomalies over the east. We show areas of 10, minus 10 degrees below normal, and parts of the west would be 5 to 15 degrees above normal. Same thing. Now we're looking at the European deterministics, still 10 to 15 degrees above normal in the west, except for the highest areas of the Rockies, Colorado Rockies here. Minus 10 to minus 15 in the east as temperature anomalies. And we're going to look now at, so during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal, little change from the last period, and for precipitation, causing below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation for the southeast. And don't forget, you can find these videos on my website, JimMunleyWX.com. The latest one, again, will be on the homepage, and the previous videos from this week will be in the video section. And just a reminder, I'll be on tonight starting at 9 o'clock on sports, i95sportsnetwork.com. I'll be talking about the Super Bowl weather. So that's it for now, and have a good day.